Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see facts for UPSC Prelims news for 17th of September from Insights IAS. Kosi Rail Mahasetu, inaugurated recently in Bihar, sanctioned by the Centre during 2003 to 2004, connects Nirmali and Saraigad districts of Bihar. Provides a shorter route to the northeast. The bridge is of strategic importance along the India-Nepal border. Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill 2020. The bill has been passed by both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This paves the way to establish a state of the art Ayurvedic institution called the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda at Jamnagar, Gujarat, and to confer the status of institution of national importance to it. ITRA will be the first institution with INI status in the Ayush sector. It will be established by conglomerating the presently existing Ayurveda institutes at Gujarat Ayurveda University campus, Jamnagar. Nuclear power generation in India. Presently, two public sector companies of the Department of Atomic Energy, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited and Bharatiya Nabhikiya Vidyut Nigam Limited, are involved in nuclear power generation. There is no proposal under consideration at present to permit non-government sector in the area of nuclear power generation. There are presently 22 reactors with a capacity of 6780 megawatt in operation in the country. FDI in atomic energy. The present policy puts atomic energy in the list of prohibited sectors. However, there is no restriction on FDI in the nuclear industry for manufacturing of equipments and providing other supplies for nuclear power plants and related other facilities. Besides, the Atomic Energy Act 1962 was amended in 2015 to enable the licensing of NPCIL's joint ventures for setting up nuclear power projects. Kalinga frog in Western Ghats via news. Scientists have reported a first of its kind discovery of morphological phenotypic plasticity MPP in the Kalinga cricket forest. What is MPP? MPP is the ability of an organism to show drastic morphological features, physical features variations in response to the natural environment variations or stimuli. About Kalinga frog, its documentation was done in 2018 and reported from the Eastern Ghats. It was thought to be endemic to the hill ranges of the Eastern Ghats, but now researchers have reported the Kalinga cricket frog from the central Western Ghats with the evidence of considerable morphological phenotypic plasticity. Article covered previously. Special Marriage Act. Why in news now? The Supreme Court has asked for the government's response to a plea that wide publication of the personal details of a couple who want to wed under the Special Marriage Act is a violation of their privacy. What's the issue? The petitioner had argued that the publication of confidential details through a public notice has a chilling effect on the right to marry, particularly in the backdrop of honor killings and violence committed against those who enter into intercaste and interreligious marriage. In other words, couples are asked to waive the right of to private privacy to exercise the right to marry. That's all UPSC facts for prelims news for today for 17th of September 2020. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please comment on the video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.